back to my channel. I hope you dolls are having a great, blessed day. And let's get into the video. So this video is brought to you by CHANTICHE Lace Wigs. Thank you for sending me this wig. I'm showing you how the box look like. So it does have the Facebook and Instagram code, so if you want to follow them. It also has the email right in the front. And the box is nice, like it's a good sturdy box. So the wig does come in this long Ziploc plastic bag just for extra protection, and also wrapped in this hairnet to keep your curls intact. And it comes with 2 sheer wig caps. So if you do the stocking cap method, this would be perfect to use those wig caps because they're easy to apply. So now I'm just taking the net off so y'all can see how the wigs look like. So this is a full lace wig. As you can see, it's a 360. It's 20 inches. It's a natural hair color. The density is 150. The texture is a loose wave. And the cap size is medium. And the lace color is medium brown. So I'm just showing y'all that the wig is so like full from the roots to the ends. It's like true to length as well. It's just, when I saw this wig, I was at awe. I was like, wow. So it does have 3 wig combs in the front, as you can see. So it's 3 wig combs in the front. So it's like the temple, right, like in the middle of your head. And then it does has pre-bleached knots. So it's already bleached knots. It looks really nice, especially when I apply it, y'all. Like, it looks really, really nice. And there is adjustable straps. So you can remove the straps if you don't want it. You can, it's like whatever's your preference. So there are removable adjustable straps. There is a comb in the back. It's like a wide comb to make the wig more firm. So the hairline comes pre-plucked to give it more of a natural look. As you can see, it has baby hairs, and then you just style to your preference. I think it's perfect. I didn't do anything. I didn't plucked it more. I didn't cut the baby hairs down. I just left it as is because I felt like it was perfect from detail to detail. I'll show y'all how I install the hair. Ghost Bond is my go-to lace glue to lay my wigs down. Remember, this wig is glueless. You do not have to use Ghost Bond. You don't have to use any glue or any adhesive. It's very glueless because they have the combs and the adjustable strap. For my preference, I'm going to glue it down because I work every morning early. I don't have time to be doing my hair, so I'm going to need my hair to be late when I wake up. Disclaimer, I didn't put makeup around my edges because I'm gonna be putting glue on there, so that's why right here you'll see my makeup. You'll still have no makeup around my edges. So let's just get into the video. First, what I do, I like to see where I want to cut the lace at. So I'm gonna show y'all. Just make sure everything is good and line up. I like to go in front of my hairline, so I'm gonna like be laying it like here. It's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and see where I'm gonna cut it at. So I'm not gonna cut too much, but I'm just gonna start. So there you go. And remember, try to do it as like jagged as possible because you don't want a straight line. You don't want a straight line at all. I'm gonna just clip this out the way so I can know what I'm doing. And then I'm just gonna alright, so now that I cut the lace off, y'all can see better how it looks. How it's gonna look once I put the glue on there. It's in natural. See how nice it's already looking, y'all? And make sure to cut it at a jagged. You saw how I was doing jagged, like cutting it like jagged lines, because it makes it more natural, because your hairline isn't perfect, as you can tell. Get some more alcohol. I use this alcohol. This alcohol helps not to irritate my skin. In my opinion, it's a 70% alcohol, and it's a winter green. And I'm just gonna clean off again just to make sure, because I've been touching the lace just to clean it up. Good. Okay. So I'm gonna show y'all the first section, and then y'all get the rest. I like to get a cone or something just to spread out the glue. Make sure it don't get on your hair. So make sure you want to put it above your hairline. It's like 90% dry, but we're just gonna hold and install because I don't think it's gonna get any drier than this. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the front. So we're gonna put it right at the edges, like that. Like that. We're just gonna like press down. I'm gonna spread it out, cause then it'll dry clear if you spread it out like that. Alright y'all, so I'm finished gluing the whole lace down, and now I'm gonna put a scarf around there. That's what I do. I like to put a scarf around my edges just so they can dry really well. I'm gonna let them dry for like at least 30 minutes, and then I'll be back to show y'all the finished result. So I'm gonna lay it around the edges. This hair is giving me life. Part it wherever you want to part it. It is gorgeous. This hair is beautiful, y'all. Gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love this lace front. This is my first time trying a 360 lace front, and it came out marvelous. I like the finishing look. It is gorgeous, y'all. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And the curls are so big and fluffy. The hair does not tangle. It's not tangling at all. I didn't co-wash it. I will co-wash it next time, but I wanted to keep the curls, so yeah. So the hair is gorgeous. This is the loose wave texture, and it is beautiful, y'all. You can definitely do different hairstyles with this hair as well. This hair is beautiful, y'all. Like, giving me life. It's big, it's pretty, it's perfect. It's just nice. It's a very nice touch to this hair. So make sure to copy your wig, y'all, because we're trying to look cute all summer, y'all. It's not shiny. It's the lust on this hair is natural looking. It looks beautiful. Sorry, I keep looking over there because I can't. I'm just admiring this hair. It's gorgeous. Make sure to grab you this wig. Everything will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Follow me on all my social medias. It'll be on the screen below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Turn your notifications on. Make sure to check out my other videos. And thank you again for watching. Hope you dolls enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!